Have you ever wondered if the products you use every single day could slowly affect your health without you even noticing? From cleaning sprays to plastic containers, from air fresheners to beauty products, many everyday items contain chemicals that may impact your body over time. Most people never think about it because these products are everywhere. But scientists and health experts are now paying closer attention to how constant exposure to certain chemicals may affect our lungs, hormones, skin, brain, and overall health. Today, we are going to uncover the hidden dangers of common household chemicals and learn simple natural ways to protect ourselves and our families. And make sure to stay until the end because number 7 is something millions of people use every single day without realizing the possible risks. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Air fresheners may pollute indoor air. Many people use air fresheners to make their homes smell fresh and clean. But surprisingly, some air fresheners can release chemicals into the air that may irritate your lungs and trigger allergies. Some products contain substances called volatile organic compounds, also known as VOCs. These chemicals can stay in indoor air for hours. Sensitive people may experience headaches, dizziness, sneezing, or breathing discomfort. Experts say indoor air pollution can sometimes be worse than outdoor pollution because homes often have limited airflow. Instead of using heavy chemical sprays, try these healthier alternatives. Open windows daily for fresh air. Use natural lemon or orange peels. Keep indoor plants. Use baking soda to absorb odors naturally. Simple changes like these can help create a cleaner and healthier home environment. Number 2. Plastic containers and hot food. Many people store hot food in plastic containers or heat meals in the microwave using plastic bowls. But some plastics may release chemicals when exposed to heat. Certain chemicals found in low-quality plastics have raised concerns among health researchers because they may interfere with hormone balance. Although not every plastic product is dangerous, experts recommend being careful with old or damaged plastic containers. Safer options include glass containers, stainless steel containers, ceramic bowls for heating food. Also avoid leaving plastic water bottles inside hot cars because heat can increase chemical release. Drinking enough clean water and reducing unnecessary plastic exposure may support better long-term health. Number 3. Cleaning products can irritate the body. Strong cleaning products can kill germs, but some also release powerful fumes that may irritate the lungs and skin. Mixing bleach with other chemicals can be especially dangerous because toxic gases may form. Some people experience burning eyes, headaches, skin irritation, breathing problems. Always read labels carefully and never mix cleaning chemicals unless the product instructions clearly say it is safe. You can also use more natural cleaning methods such as vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice. These ingredients can clean many surfaces effectively while reducing chemical exposure. Number 4. Smoke from cooking oil. Many families cook using high heat every day, but overheated cooking oil can release smoke and harmful particles into the air. Breathing too much cooking smoke over time may affect lung health, especially in kitchens with poor ventilation. To reduce risk, turn on kitchen ventilation fans. Open windows while cooking. Avoid overheating oil until it burns. Choose healthier oils with stable cooking properties. Cooking healthier not only protects your lungs but may also support heart health. Number 5. Beauty products and skin exposure. Lotions, perfumes, hairsprays, and cosmetics often contain many ingredients. While most products are considered safe when used properly, some people may be sensitive to certain chemicals or fragrances. Skin irritation and allergies are common problems. Before using new products, test a small amount first. Avoid overly strong fragrances. Check expiration dates. Choose products from trusted companies. Your skin absorbs many substances, so choosing gentle products can help reduce irritation. Number 6. Dust inside the home. Dust is not just dirt. Household dust can contain tiny particles from fabrics, chemicals, smoke, pet hair, and outdoor pollution. Too much dust exposure may worsen allergies, asthma, sneezing, eye irritation. To reduce indoor dust, clean regularly. Use vacuum cleaners with filters. Wash bedsheets weekly. Keep shoes outside when possible. Cleaner indoor environments may help improve breathing and sleep quality. Number 7. Photocopy machine toner and printer dust. Millions of office workers and photocopy. Shop employees spend hours around printers and photocopy machines every day. These machines use toner powder that contains tiny particles. In poorly ventilated rooms, some of these particles may enter the air. Long-term exposure may irritate the nose, throat, lungs, or skin in sensitive individuals. This does not mean photocopy machines are extremely dangerous, but safety is important. Helpful safety tips. Keep rooms well ventilated. Wear masks when handling toner. Avoid touching toner directly. Clean toner spills properly. People who work around these machines daily should pay extra attention to ventilation and hygiene. Number 8. Pesticides around food. Many fruits and vegetables are exposed to pesticides during farming. Washing produce properly can help reduce residue. Health experts recommend washing fruits under running water, peeling some produce when appropriate, buying fresh produce from trusted sources. Eating more fruits and vegetables remains extremely important for health, so do not avoid healthy foods because of fear. Proper cleaning is usually enough for most people. Number 9. Cigarette smoke inside the home. Secondhand smoke can seriously affect family members, especially children and older adults. People exposed to smoke indoors may experience coughing, breathing problems, eye irritation, increased health risks over time. Creating a smoke-free home is one of the best things families can do for better health. Fresh air and clean indoor environments support healthier lungs and heart function. Number 10. Scented candles and incense. Many people love scented candles and incense because they create relaxing environments. But burning products indoors can release smoke and tiny particles into the air. Overuse in closed rooms may irritate the lungs for some people. If you enjoy using them, keep rooms ventilated. Avoid excessive smoke. Use them in moderation. Fresh airflow always helps improve indoor air quality. Number 11. Electronics and sleep problems. Phones, tablets, and televisions are part of modern life. But using screens late at night may affect sleep quality. Blue light from screens can interfere with the body's natural sleep cycle. Poor sleep may lead to fatigue, stress, poor concentration, mood changes. For better sleep, reduce screen time before bed. Keep phones away while sleeping. Create a dark and quiet room. Good sleep supports brain health, immune function, and emotional well-being. Number 12. Chemical exposure at work. Some workers face regular exposure to chemicals in factories, salons, workshops, farms, or printing businesses. Protective equipment is very important. Workers should wear gloves and masks, follow safety guidelines, keep workplaces ventilated, wash hands frequently. Ignoring safety measures for years may increase health risks. Protecting your body today may help prevent problems later. Number 13. The importance of fresh air. Modern life keeps many people indoors most of the day. Poor indoor ventilation can trap dust, smoke, moisture, chemicals. Opening windows and allowing fresh air inside can make a major difference. Fresh airflow may improve breathing comfort, energy levels, sleep quality, overall well-being. Even a few minutes of fresh air daily can help. Number 14. Drinking enough water helps the body. Your body naturally removes waste through the liver and kidneys. Drinking enough water supports normal body functions and helps maintain hydration. Simple habits that support health. Drink clean water regularly. Eat fruits and vegetables. Stay physically active. Avoid excessive junk food. Healthy habits work together to support long-term wellness. Number 15. Stress can make health worse. Many people focus only on physical chemicals but forget emotional stress. Chronic stress may affect sleep, digestion, blood pressure, immune function. Protecting your mental health is also important. Try walking outdoors, spending time with family, relaxation exercises, Taking short breaks from screens. Small daily habits can greatly improve emotional well-being. Number 16. Children are more sensitive. Children's bodies are still developing, which means they may be more sensitive to environmental exposures. Parents should keep chemicals out of reach, avoid smoking indoors, use gentle cleaning products, encourage outdoor play. Creating a healthy environment early in life is very important. Number 17. Healthy food supports natural protection. Your body needs nutrients to function properly. Foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants may help support normal body defenses. Healthy choices include fruits, vegetables, nuts, fish, whole grains. Balanced nutrition is one of the best long-term investments for health. Number 18. Exercise helps the body recover. Physical activity supports circulation, heart health, mood, and energy. Even simple exercise can help. Walking, stretching, cycling, light workouts, regular movement supports overall wellness and helps the body function more efficiently. Number 19. Small changes matter. You do not need to completely change your life overnight. Simple improvements can make a big difference. Open windows more often. Reduce unnecessary chemicals. Stay hydrated. Sleep properly. Eat balanced meals. Consistency matters more than perfection. Number 20. Awareness is powerful. The goal is not fear. The goal is awareness. Modern products make life easier, but using them wisely is important. Healthy living is about balance, smart choices, and protecting yourself whenever possible. By understanding hidden environmental exposures, you can create a safer and healthier lifestyle for yourself and your family. Thank you for watching. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.